Want to explore the skies without spending a fortune? In this video, we'll check out the best budget drones that combine fun, features, and performance at an affordable price. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for great value, these drones prove you don't need to overspend to enjoy flying. Let's get started. Number 1. Punieayi GPS Drone. Features a 90 degrees adjustable HD camera for capturing 4K photos and videos. Live footage is transmitted directly to the 5-inch LCD remote control screen for real-time viewing and control, eliminating app downloads. Before flying, watch guide videos via QR code on the instruction and calibrate outdoors for optimal safety and performance. Integrated GPS enables precision flight up to 400-foot altitude, with auto return to home (RTH) triggered on low battery or manual press. Functions like Circle Fly and Follow Me boost entertainment value. Asterisk for any issues, contact support for prompt assistance. Includes 3 high-capacity batteries for up to 90 minutes of total flight time. The powerful, low-noise brushless motor ensures stable operation even in level 4 wind conditions, reducing power consumption for quieter, reliable flights. Lightweight 238G body with foldable construction, extends up to 2,000-foot control range, perfect for outdoor adventures. Includes a portable protective case for easy storage and carrying, ensuring maximum convenience on the go. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Atom SE drone is designed for effortless flying and stunning aerial photography, all in a compact, lightweight frame. Weighing less than 249 g, it doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration, making it easy for beginners and hobbyists to start flying right away. Its foldable design fits neatly into a jacket pocket, making it ultra-portable for travel and outdoor adventures. Powered by brushless motors, the Atom SE can withstand level 5 wind resistance, ensuring stable and smooth flights. Its 1/3 CMOS Sony sensor captures sharp 12MP photos and 4K at 30 FPS HD video, enhanced with exclusive Shake Vanish technology for silky smooth footage across a 118 degrees field of view with tilt angles from +20 degrees to -90 degrees. The advanced Surgefly flight system offers beginner mode and 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. In sport mode, the drone accelerates up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds, perfect for thrill seekers. With two 2,500 mAh intelligent batteries, you'll enjoy up to 62 minutes of flight time, 31 minutes per battery. The PixSync 2.0 transmission system delivers a stable 4 km per 13,123-foot control range and low-latency HD video streaming. Number 3. Holystone HS-175G Drone. The Holystone HS-175G is an upgraded version of the HS-175D, specifically designed for adult drone enthusiasts seeking high-quality aerial footage with smooth, stable flight. Featuring a 4K EIS camera with a Sony CMOS sensor, the HS-175G delivers exceptional image clarity, 120 degrees wide-angle lens, and a 90 degrees adjustable tilt, making it perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos. With 5 GHz FPV transmission, enjoy smooth, real-time video even in high-speed or windy conditions. The GPS-assisted flight system ensures safety and convenience. The drone automatically returns home if it loses signal, flies out of range, or experiences low battery. Equipped with 2 intelligent batteries, the HS-175G provides up to 60 minutes of total flight time, and each battery supports fast single battery charging. Beginner-friendly features include altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjustment, making it easy for new pilots to enjoy flying. The foldable fuselage design and included carrying case make the HS-175G highly portable for outdoor adventures, while its under 250 g weight eliminates the need for FAA registration. Advanced flight features allow the HS-175G to automatically follow you, fly along a designated path, or circle a point of interest. emergency stop functionality adds an extra layer of safety. Powered by robust brushless motors and offering 2-speed modes, this drone combines stability, power, and versatility for pilots at all skill levels. Number 4. Gleesfun G11 Mini SE Drone. Perfect for newbies. G11 Mini SE drones with camera for adults 4K is specifically designed for beginners to make flying easy and enjoyable. The beginner mode offers simple controls and clear guidance, helping you quickly learn the ropes. Its intuitive controls and one-touch takeoff/landing features reduce the learning curve, allowing you to focus on having fun. The included camera shield also provides extra protection during flights, giving you peace of mind as you learn. G11 MINL SE 4K drone with camera for adults equipped with the ergonomically designed GQ 2.0 digital remote controller offers responsive control and a reliable connection up to 7,000 feet, 2.1 kilometers. This long-range capability allows you to fly farther and enjoy smooth, real-time video streaming without interruptions. Without relying on Wi-Fi connectivity, you can use the simple setup process, and reliable connectivity make it ideal for beginners. Navigating the Gleesfun Fly app is a breeze for first-time users. Its intuitive design, seamless syncing, and step-by-step setup instructions, including GPS calibration, make operating the G11 Mini SE drone with camera for adults simple. Advanced features like automated takeoff/landing and voice prompts help you master the basics quickly. This user-friendly design ensures a seamless experience for drone beginners. Safety and enjoyment for new pilots. G11 Mini SE GPS drone offers advanced GPS auto-return functionality, including one-key return, low battery return, and automatic return on signal loss, greatly reducing the risk of losing the drone during flights. Features like follow mode, circle flight, and path planning add excitement to your flying experience. These functions are perfect for beginners who want to explore without worrying about complications. Number 5. Suangrc K600 GPS Drone. GPS drone with camera for adults with 5 GHz real-time transmission, features a 4.5-inch LCD screen remote control for photo/video capture without needing a smartphone, making operation much easier. Screen drone for beginners friendly. K600 GPS drone with camera for adults 4K, includes an 8 GB SD card, supports up to 32 GB, for sufficient storage. Capture 1280 by 720 HD photos/videos directly via the 4.5-inch LCD screen, or connect our smartphone to shoot up to 4K HD pictures. Never lose your drone. The GPS functionality enables auto-return home, follow me mode, point of interest, POI, flight, and circle flying. GPS drone with camera enjoy the crystal clear and brilliant flight experience. It allows you to have easy control over the drone with camera and fly better. No need to connect the mobile phone, and the startup speed is improved. GPS and optical flow system achieving precise hovering and stable flight, headless mode, one-key start, speed adjustment let the drone beginners control it easily. Our GPS drone with camera comes with a portable handbag, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration, without the tedious application process and waiting time.